So we just heard back from the independent verification service Promo Veritas that the winner of our lifestyle competition this week is Vernon Hall. Vernon has just won himself £15,000 in cash. Just before we call him to give him the good news, let's have a quick look at last week's skilled competition question, which was, where is Lewis Hamilton going to be racing in the Grand Prix this Sunday, the 1st of September? And the answer, of course, was Belgium. And he came second, so congratulations, Lewis. More of a congratulations, though, to Vernon. I've got his number on my phone. Let's give him a call and give him the good news.
Hello?
Morning, is that Vernon Hall?
Yes, I think I recognise you.
Hey, Vernon, how you doing?
I'm better for seeing you, thank you. And yourself?
Yeah, not too bad, thank you. Not too bad. Obviously, we just got back from Greece last night, for surprising our dream car winner. So unfortunately, that wasn't you yesterday. But, Vernon, I do have some good news. Whereabouts in the country are you at the moment?
At the moment, I'm in Matlock in Derbyshire. I'm actually at the dentist waiting for a tooth to be called, just waiting for them to open. But I think you're about to brighten my day up a little bit.
Well, I'm about to brighten your day up, yeah. And you're having a tooth, extraction?
Yeah. I broke a tooth and I can't fix it.
Oh, no. All right, well, good news. The tooth fairy has come early, Vernon. And instead of a 50p, which is what I used to get under a pillow, you've got something a little bit more substantial.
Oh, wow.
Vernon, I'm pleased to say you are the winner of the lifestyle competition this week, and you've just won £15,000.
I'm gobsmacked. Well, thank you. I mean, this is absolutely awesome. Oh my god. I do this every week, and I normally go for the iPhone Duo package, so I'm glad I upped it this week. Oh my god.
Yeah, the iPhone is worth a lot less than the £15,000, so congratulations.
I'm genuinely gobsmacked. Thank you so much. I'm shaking. Wow.
So obviously, other than your dentist bill, what do you think you're going to spend some of the money on?
My daughter is just having driving lessons at the moment. She's passed her theory, so need to organise options for a car. Can't miss my wife out. We've been together 30 years. Next year's our 20th wedding anniversary, so maybe we'll make that a bit special.
Congratulations.
And a new tooth.
Yeah, and a new tooth, yeah. Well, Vernon, have a great rest of your day. I know you might be smiling a little bit differently later once they put all the numbing stuff in.
Tell me about it. I'll be dribbling my tea later. This is amazing.
Well, congratulations, Vernon. Have a great day. Hopefully we can brighten it up slightly. I hope the dentist goes all right, and we'll talk to you later on.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
No problem. Cheers, Vernon. Have a great day. Cheers. Bye. Vernon Hall having his tooth out, but as I said, the tooth fairy has come early and just given him £15,000. Massive congratulations to Vernon again. If you weren't the winner of the lifestyle competition this week, not to worry, the skilled competition question is live again at BOTB.com. If you answer it correctly, you never know, you might just be next week's winner. Best of luck.